Hi, I'm Lindsay and I'm a patient educator here at Revision. Today we're going to talk about some helpful pre and post-op information to get you ready for your PRK or LASIK procedure. A few days prior to your LASIK or PRK procedure, you will get a phone call from one of our Revision team members. They will give you your surgery arrival time as well as some helpful pre-op information to get you ready for your procedure. Some of the things that you'll need to prepare for is you will need a driver, someone to get you home safely after your surgery. Plan to be at Revision for about an hour and a half to 2.5 hours the day of your procedure. You will want to wear comfortable clothing, closed-toed shoes. We do recommend to bring a sweater or a jacket with you because it is a little bit cooler in our facility. We ask that you don't wear any makeup, lotions, scented sprays, or jewelry the day of your procedure. We encourage you to eat a light meal before arriving because we give you Valium that will help relax you for your surgery, so it helps to have something in your system. Prior to your surgery, you will want to pick up your prescription eye drops. In addition to your prescription eye drops, you will be given a sample of preservative-free artificial tears. You will also want to pick up some additional boxes of these at your local pharmacy or drugstore. They can be purchased over the counter. The great thing about preservative-free artificial tears is they can be used however often you need to help your eyes feel comfortable after your surgery. They come in individual vials and the tiny cap can be placed back on the vial after each individual use. You can use one vial for up to 24 hours. Preservative-free artificial tears will be used to help alleviate any discomfort that you may feel after your LASIK or PRK procedure. Upon your arrival, you will check in at our surgery center, which is located on the first floor. After your procedure, you may notice that your eyes feel irritated, light sensitive, a burning or foreign body sensation. Your vision may also fluctuate. We want to encourage you to go home and rest as much as possible. This will help your eyes to heal the most. Remember to use your prescription drops and preservative-free artificial tears as directed. If your eyes are light sensitive after your surgery, please feel free to wear any type of sunglasses or protective eyewear after your surgery. For our LASIK patients, you will be given a couple Tylenol PM that you can take once you get home. For our PRK patients, you will be sent home wearing a bandaged contact lens. This bandaged contact lens is for your comfort and will be removed once you see your physician at your follow-up visit. Our PRK patients are also given a prescription for Norco. This is a pain medication that you can take to help you in your recovery time. The prescription will be given to you before you leave our surgery center. At that time, you can go ahead and go to your pharmacy to get that filled. For LASIK and PRK patients, the healing and recovery time as far as your vision can fluctuate from patient to patient. It's also going to fluctuate based on the type of procedure that you have. Our LASIK patients typically have a little bit quicker of a recovery time and will notice vision improvement even the next day. Our PRK patients can expect to be a little bit more patient with that process. You may notice vision improvement and then it may fluctuate and go up and down a little bit in the first week, especially of your surgery. After your surgery, you also want to make sure not to rub your eyes for any reason. Before you leave our facility, you'll be sent home wearing some protective goggles. These will need to be worn for the first day of your procedure and then overnight for the first week after your procedure. A few restrictions that you'll have for LASIK or PRK: no makeup, lotions, or scented sprays for 3 days after, and no swimming or hot tub use for 1 week after your surgery. For our LASIK patients, follow-ups are going to be the next day and then typically a week after your surgery as well. If the doctor feels that you need to come back anytime after that, they'll let you know at those visits. For our PRK patients, your first follow-up will be about 4 to 5 days after your procedure so that we can remove that bandaged contact lens and make sure that your eye is healing properly. All of your follow-up visits are extremely important so that we can check your vision, your eye pressure, and the overall healing of your eyes. Thank you for choosing Revision. We look forward to helping you on your journey to better vision.